How to make a Snapchat filter using Lens Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, open your Lens Studio. So once you are here, you have to go for this new project. So now as you can see, this is the interface of this application. You can change the person from here. Let's go for this one. Okay, now let's start by simply making a retouch by clicking on this plus icon on the top left corner and simply scroll down for face retouch, and now you can set the intensity of every, like soft skin, eye sharpening and eye whitening. So after you have done, let's go for the next one. Click on plus icon again and let's go for the face mask. Again scroll down for face mask here. So now this will opens up where you can adjust all your face shape here. If I do this, the person change will shrink. So you can also play around with every corner of your face. So let's make it thinner. So after you have done, let's go for the face liquify. So as you can see, it's a funny filter. Let's add a more on our lips, and you can also adjust the radius and intensity of it. So now this is now a funny filter. Let's go and save it by go for file, save as, and let's save it wherever you want to save. So there is no folder and save as type mode. Let's name it and simply save it. So after you have saving your project, you have to go to my lenses, and I don't have any lens here because I don't add it here. Let's go back. So for preview, you have to click on preview on the top right corner and scan the QR code on your Snapchat of your mobile, and you can simply see the preview of your face with live preview. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to make a Snapchat filter using Lens Studio.